Hello students, I am Vinay Kumar Singh, lecturer English in Sardar Patel Inter College, Chirgaon, district Jhansi. Dear students, in this video I am going to teach you imperative sentences. How to change imperative sentences of reported speech into indirect speech. Students, in previous video I have taught you how to change interrogative sentences. In this video, we are going to study imperative sentences of reported speech. Students, before we start learning rules, let's have some basic knowledge about imperative sentences. Imperative sentences give a sense of order, command, request, advice, etc. Subject you is understood or hidden in imperative sentences, and sentence starts with finite verb. Students, let's see rule number 1. We change the reporting verb said or said to according to the sense of the reported speech. If reported speech has the sense of order, we change reporting verb said or said to into ordered, commanded, etc. If reported speech has the sense of advice, we change reporting verb into advised or urged, etc. Students, if reported speech has the sense of request, we change reporting verb into requested, begged, implored, entreated, etc. Let's see rule number 2. Before I tell you rule number 2, students, we should know others rule will be like assertive sentences, like the rules for the change of tenses, rules for the change of pronouns, and rules for changing words expressing nearness of time or position will be same. Let's see rule number 1. After removing inverted comma, we use to as connective or conjunction before the verb of reported speech, and we make it infinitive and connect reported speech while changing direct speech into indirect speech. Let's see example. The teacher said to me, sit in your room and do your homework. Students, let's see. Here reported speech has the sense of order, so I have changed reporting verb said to into ordered. The teacher ordered me to sit in my room and do my homework. Students, let's see one more example. Ankit said to his friend, work hard to get good marks. Here reported speech has the sense of advice, so I have changed reporting verb said to into advised. Ankit advised his friend to work hard to get good marks. Students, let's see rule number 3. Vocative case of the reported speech is made object of the reporting verb. Okay? For example, the principal said, sit down, students. Here the word students is in vocative case. So we will make it put it in the place of object of reporting verb. Let's see. The principal ordered the students to sit down. Students, let's see another rule. Rule number 4. If the reported speech is negative and starts with do not, we change into indirect speech in the following ways in 2 ways. Let's see one by one. First way, we change reporting verb said or said to into forbade and remove do not. Okay, do not, which is in reported speech, and use to before the verb of the reported speech, and change direct speech into indirect speech. Students, Let's understand with the help of an example. Mother said to me, do not drive bike very fast. Dear students, you can see here the reported speech begins with do not. So reported speech is negative. So I have changed reporting verb said to into forbade. Okay. So mother forbade me. Second step, I have removed do not both. Okay. And used to. So you can see my mother forbade me to drive bike fast. Okay. Students, we can change reporting verb said to or said into forbade. We can use other words also as per sense in negative sentences. Okay. Let's see another way. Second way of changing negative reported speech into indirect speech. Let's see how we change. We change the reporting verb according to the reported speech into according to the sense of the reported speech into ordered, advised, etc. and remove do and use to infinitive after not. Okay. Let's see. My friend said to me, do not waste your money. Students, you can see here the sentence is negative with do not. Okay. So let's change direct speech into indirect one. My friend advised me. Here I have changed reporting verb said to into advised. Advised me not to waste my time. You can see students here to has been used after not. Okay. So you have to keep in mind this fact. Okay. Let's see another rule. Rule number 5. If reported speech starts with never, we change reporting verb into advised. Okay. And use to infinitive after never and change direct speech into indirect speech. Let's see. Example. Father said to me, never trust anyone during journey by train. Students, as you can see, reported speech here starts with the word never. So the reported speech is negative. Let's see. Father advised. Here reporting verb said to has been changed into advised. Simply because whenever reported speech will be negative and will be started with never, we'll change reporting verb into advised. So father advised me never to trust anyone during journey by train. Students, one thing you have to keep in mind that to will be used after never. Okay. You have to keep this fact in mind. Let's see. Note. We should not use forbade if reported speech starts with never. Students, one thing we have to keep in our mind while changing direct speech into indirect speech, where reported speech starts with never. We should not use forbade. Okay. Students, let's see another rule. Rule number 6. If words like sir, please, kindly, etc. are used in reported speech, we change reporting verb said or said to into requested and remove these words while changing direct speech into indirect speech. Let's see example. Ravi said to his class teacher, sir, mark me present. Okay. So let's see. Ravi requested his class teacher to mark him present. Dear students, you can see that the word sir has been used here in reported speech, but in indirect speech we have removed sir and changed reporting verb into requested. Let's see one more example. Hari said to Sohan, please come and help me. You can see word please has been used here in reported speech. Let's change into indirect speech. Harish requested Sohan to come and help him. Students, you can see please has been removed in making indirect speech. Okay. Let's see one more example. An old man said to her, kindly help me. You can see kindly in reported speech. Let's change. An old man requested her to help him. Students, let's see another rule. Rule number 7. In case if clause of reported speech has the sense of advice, we should use should in indirect speech because should is better. Let's see with the help of example. My brother said to me, if you feel temperature, take medicine. Students, let's change into indirect speech. My brother told me if I felt temperature, I should take medicine. Students, you can see here, I have not used that. Sometimes we can avoid using that. Okay, that's why I have not used here that. Students, let's see some special rules. Some imperative sentences appear to be interrogative, while these sentences are not interrogative. These sentences are imperative sentences and have sense of humble request, order, invitation, offer, etc. That's why we change the reporting verb said or said to into requested, ordered, invited, offered, etc. according to the sense of the reported speech. Just as, let's see example one by one. She said to them, would you like to sit down? Students, you can see the reported speech appears to be interrogative, while the reported speech has the sense of request. So we'll change reporting verb said to into requested. Okay, she requested them to sit down. Okay, let's see another example. Ravi said to me, would you like a samosa? The sentence within inverted comma, that is reported speech, has the sense of offer. That's why I have changed reporting verb said to into offered. Ravi offered me a samosa. Students, when we'll use offered, will not use any connective to connect the sentence. Okay. So I have also not used. Let's see another sentence. Rakhi said to him, would you like to have dinner with me? Students, this reported speech also appears to be interrogative. But if we see closely, we find that the reported speech has the sense of invitation. That's why I've changed reporting verb said to into invited. Let's see. Rakhi invited him to have dinner with her. Let's see the fourth sentence. The officer said, will you leave the room? Students, this sentence has the sense of order. So we'll change reporting verb said into order. The officer ordered me to leave the room. Okay. Students, let's see another rule. Some questions are rhetorical and start with who, what, why, etc. and have question marks in the end. But these questions are not to get any answer. These questions are to give a statement. That's why when we change, we should Change reporting verb said to not in asked, but in told, and said in said. Okay? And use connective that and write what the speaker wants to say. Speeches of leaders are generally full of such rhetorical questions. Let's see examples. The leader said to the people, "What has the state government done for you?" Let's change. The leader told the people that the government has done nothing for them. Let's see another sentence. Arvind said to his friends, "Who has seen the wind?" Let's change the reported speech into indirect speech. Arvind told his friends that nobody has seen the wind. Let's see third example. Anuj said, "Who does not know the name of Bhagat Singh?" Students, let's change direct speech into indirect speech. Anuj said that everybody knows the name of Bhagat Singh. Students, I think you will have got enough material from these examples to understand and to learn to change direct speeches of such types of sentences as given in this part to change into indirect speech. Let's see. Note. We change who cares into nobody cares. And what can I do into I can do nothing. Students, let's learn how to change the direct speech where reported speech starts with letters or let's. Students, let's learn the rule. First, if reported speech starts with letters or let's, we should change the speech into indirect speech in following way. First, we should know that such sentences as start with letters has the sense of proposal or suggestion. First step we change reporting verb said into proposed or suggested. Second thing, we remove inverted commas and use connective that. Third step, we change objective case us into nominative case we or they as per the person of the subject and object of reporting verb. Okay. Next step, we should change let into should and write after we or they. Okay. Let's read the note. Let us see what the note says. We change us into we if subject or object of reporting verb is of first person. Otherwise, we change us into they. So, just as we can see in these examples, let's see the examples one by one. First example, Brajesh said, "Let us play a friendly match." Brajesh proposed that they should play a friendly match. Students, you can see here, since the reported speech starts with letters, that's why I have changed reporting verb said into proposed. Okay. So Brajesh proposed that they should play a friendly match. Here us has been changed into they because the subject of reporting verb is of third person and there is no object. Let's see second sentence, second example. Ajit said to me, let's go to swim. I have written here, let's, not let us. Ajit proposed to me that we should go to swim. Students, you can see here, I have changed us into we simply because the object of reporting verb is of first person. That's why I have used we and proposed in the place of said. Let's see third example. The teacher said to the students, let us learn our lessons. Students, here the teacher suggests. That's why I've changed reporting verb said into suggested. The teacher suggested to the students that they should learn their lessons. Okay? Let's see next note, what the next note says. If in answer to any affirmative suggestion or proposal, there is the use of let's not, we use the word objected or was against it to report the reported speech into indirect speech. Let's see the example. Let's go to the park, said Manish. Let's not, said Reena. Let's now change the reported speech into indirect speech, the direct speech into indirect speech. Manish proposed to Reena that they should go to park. Okay, but Reena objected. Here you can see, students, I've changed let's not into objected. Okay, we can change this direct speech in another way, one other way. Let's see. Mohan proposed to Reena that they should go to the park, but Reena was against it. Students, you can see here, I have used was against it for let's not. Okay? Student,